watching the show. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen one more time again. It's amazing. Anyway, today we want to give you a volume 2 of the Jamaican stew chicken. You know, chicken is Chef Ricardo top list all the time. We always give you chicken. Basically, I know a lot of people don't like the idea of me doing the same thing over and over, but it's in different style. Alright? So if you're at home and you feel like you cook for a big family, this come in handy for you. You can do this recipe at home. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. And remember, don't forget to donate to the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. We got a lot more stuff coming out for you. You know, we always buying ingredients, we always buying stuff to make the fans them happy. So if you got too much money, you can always donate some to Chef Ricardo to make his show better. Thank you so much. See you next time, and hopefully this will be a benefit to you. Get a copy of my cookbook on Amazon, 50% off. See you next time. Bye bye. In the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. And a lot of people might say, oh, the chef only cook chicken. Well, and my show, this is my show, and I'm telling you, most of my fans them cook chicken. So we're gonna show you, if you're at home and you're cooking for a big family and you're cooking a lot of chicken, how to marinate it. First of all, I got some natural blending season. This is it right here, and I'm gonna show you how it works really well in your kitchen at home. So if you're at home and you want to do some chicken like mine, this is how it goes. First of all, blending season. 1, 2 large spoons of the blending season. First of all, rub it in. That's the first thing you want to do. Smell lovely. Caribbean food are the best ever in this world. Put a little bit more and rub it in. So this is the way all the Jamaican jerk blending season, the season work, sorry, not jerk, the natural season work. So as you can see, I'm just rub it in the chicken. Lovely. So basically, I'm gonna just change my gloves right here. So that's the natural season we should just use to marinate the chicken. And look at that, beautiful, pretty, nice. One man said Jamaican food is the most sexiest food on earth. Well, we're gonna put some olive oil, some vegetable oil. Lovely. And we're gonna move to this level. Mix herb. Mixed herb is natural, so you know, just keep it natural and real. One spoon of all-purpose seasoning. One spoon of chicken seasoning. And this is some ginger, garlic, and pimento. So half teaspoon. Everyday season. Just a spoon of everyday season. One spoon of paprika. This is some white garlic. That's the white garlic. Sorry, white onion. Sorry guys. This is a spring onion. Browning is a must. One, two, three. Let's start off with three first. So, put on the gloves. Little bit of coarse pepper. Make sure you got on the gloves, and we're gonna marinate it like this. Smell really nice and beautiful, guys. Seriously. One man said Jamaican food are the most sexiest food on the planet. And honestly, I believe that. When you made that comment, I didn't regret it. I said yes. Yes, this is it. A little bit more of the browning. Roughly half teaspoon more. When I wash my chicken, wash it with white vinegar or lemon juice. I didn't use any salt. Why? Because most of those seasons got salt. It smells so lovely. That's it right here, guys. As I can see, this is the volume 2 of the marinating of the stew chicken. So if you're at home and you want to cook some stew chicken for your family and marinate it, this is the way you can marinate it. So what we're going to do, we're going to cook this tomorrow. So we're going to put this for 24 hours to soak. As you can see, beautiful and nice. So we're going to put on this for 24 hours to soak. As you can see, just look at that, guys. That is fantastic. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. And that's the way it look. Jamaican stew chicken volume 2 from Chef Ricardo. Remember, we don't muck about when it comes to stew chicken. That's Chef Ricardo biggest recipe ever in this world. Alright, so look forward for that one tomorrow as it come on the YouTube channel. We're gonna show you how to cook it tomorrow after 24 hour or chicken cook. Stew chicken cook. Alright? I never do a video like that before, but I do stew chicken video in a while. So we're gonna put this in the fridge and seal it off. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.